Oh, hey internet, what's going arms? Darb's Nation here. Obviously, it's a special time coming up. This weekend is Armstrong Metal Festival. I don't think any of you know how to shotgun. So, let me tell you what. It's part of staying alive at Armstrong Metal Festival. It's a way of life. That's why this is like a survival guide. It's part one of a one-part series where we teach you how to stay alive at Armstrong Metal Festival.
Right now.
First off, you're gonna want to start with your favorite beer. We got the Real Peel right here. It's a grapefruit IPA, 6.4% alcohol, because I'm not a baby bag bitch. Now, find your place to do a shotgun hole. You want that bubble to be right here. That's where it's gonna create a void where you can easily puncture your can, maybe with even your thumb. Maybe with even your thumb. Maybe with even your thumb. Maybe even just your thumb. Now, when I was younger, my best friend died. He was my dad. I'd like to dedicate this to him. And you're gonna start with a gay countdown like Tinky Weely Winky Dipsy La La Po. It didn't work. There was a blockage in my Hope you did that with me. See you this weekend at Armstrong Metal Fest 2019. I'll get that stupid camera out of my face, Brandon.